Top 5 best drone are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top 5 best drone from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Let's watch the video. Number 1. Holystone HS720 Foldable GPS Drone with 4K UHD camera for adults, quadcopter with brushless motor, auto return home, follow me, 52 minutes flight time, long control range, includes carrying bag. The Holystone HS720E 4Ks is one of Holystone's more expensive drones, and it comes with some impressive features. These include features like GPS, optical flow sensor, automatic return home and intelligent flight modes. The drone also comes with an electronic image stabilization feature, a Sony image sensor, and records video footage in 4K. It has a flight time of 22 minutes and a transmission range of around 900 meters. The drone also comes with brushless motors, which are more powerful and efficient than brushed motors. Brushless motors allow the drone to fly more smoothly and provide the drone with more speed. They also last longer and require less maintenance. Although I would advise you to clean them on a regular basis to keep them in optimal conditions. The controller remains the same. It's powered by 2 AA batteries. These are not provided with the drone package, so you will need to purchase a few separately. It's got buttons for automatic takeoff, landing, photo, and video buttons are on the top, and there's also a dial that will allow you to adjust the camera angle. One of the best features of this controller is the LCD screen in the middle that displays telemetry details about the drone. To make use of the drone's FPV feature, you will need to download the Optical app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. This is a decent app, it has a nice user interface, and is easy to navigate and use. However, please be aware to make use of the app's FPV feature, you may not be able to record or stream live video footage. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI RC, lightweight and foldable camera drone with 4K 60 FPS video, 48MP photo, 34 min flight time, tri-directional obstacle sensing, ideal for aerial photography and social media. The first generation Mavic Mini was a great drone in its time, packing DJI's smart design and technology into a tiny body that falls just under the weight limit that would require registration in many countries. It was great for casual exploration, but a lack of features and a mediocre camera held it back from being useful for much else. The release of the Mini 2, sans Mavic branding, brought near feature parity with the higher-end models and a substantially better camera, but the image quality was still not quite up to the standards of pixel peepers. Now DJI is pushing beyond normal iterative upgrades with its latest model, the DJI Mini 3 Pro, pairing the tiny frame with a much more powerful camera and a new gimbal that rotates 90 degrees for vertical video. The DJI Mini 3 Pro combines the latest evolution of DJI's ultra-lightweight Mini family with a really good camera that normally belongs on a heavier drone. It earns the Pro name with a high-quality image and plenty of powerful features. Number 3. DJI FPV Combo First-Person View Drone of Quadcopter with 4K camera, S-Flight Mode, Super Wide 150 degrees FOV, HD Low Latency Transmission, Emergency Brake and Hover, Gray. Fully immerse yourself in the amazing aerial views and unbridled speed of drone flying with the combo version of the DJI FPV drone. Using the bundled FPV goggles V2, you get a first-person view of what the drone sees, with footage that makes it feel like you're the one flying through the sky. The onboard 4K 60 FPS gimbal camera can send low-latency video to your goggles for a near real-time experience. The 150 degrees super wide FOV lets you take in and appreciate the scope of the vistas you fly over. With 3 different flying modes to choose from, you can fly at your own personal comfort level. When fully unleashed, the FPV drone can speed across the sky at up to 87 miles per hour. Even at this blistering speed, DJI's ROXDDA's electronic image stabilization technology will help ensure the footage you capture is smooth. You can capture video on an optional microSD card up to 256 GB at 120 MB per second. Whether you enjoy breakneck racing or leisurely touring beautiful terrain, the FPV drone gives you an intimate experience, unlike traditional piloting. The video transmission frequencies automatically switch between 2.4 and 5.8 GHz to help ensure your 50 MB per second bit rate footage remains clear of stutter and compression artifacts. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo Ultralight Foldable Drone, 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera, 12MP photos, 31 mins flight time, OcuSync 2.0 10 km HD video transmission, quick shots, gray. Fly farther to capture stunning 4K aerial videos with the Mini 2 Fly More Combo from DJI. Utilizing DJI's OcuSync 2.0 2.4 GHz wireless transmission technology, the Mini 2 can be operated from up to 6.2 miles away while still providing you with video of what the drone sees. The Mini 2 can also be flown as high as 2.5 miles and withstand 19 to 24 miles per hour winds, all while maintaining a compact foldable design that weighs only 8.8 ounces. It's small and light enough to take with you almost anywhere. With so much available to photograph and record right out of the box, DJI ensured high-quality results with a 3-axis gimbal that supports up to 4K 30 video and 12MP stills captured in JPG or RAW for easier editing. You also gain the luxury of flying farther back from your subjects with support for up to 4x digital zoom. Thanks to the DJI Fly app and intelligent recording options, such as pre-programmed quickshot flight paths and multiple panorama options, the Mini 2 can deliver creative pro-quality shots with a tap. When it comes to piloting the Mini 2, DJI provides multiple intelligent capabilities and features to make it easier, such as automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and a smart return to home function. Using a handful of different pre-programmed drone flight patterns, you can use the DJI Fly app to quickly take professional-level videos. You can choose from drone, helix, rocket, circle, or boomerang modes. Once captured, the DJI Fly app lets you add filters and soundtracks and share your work directly to social media platforms. With aerial photography, the canvas is vast, which is why DJI gives you multiple options of capturing it all with panorama modes. You can choose from wide angle, 180 degrees, or sphere panoramas. The Mini 2 automatically does the rest. Number 5. Holystone HS710 Drones with Camera for Adults 4K, GPS FPV Foldable 5G Quadcopter for Beginners with Optical Flow Positioning, Auto Return Home, Follow Me, Brushless Motor, 50 mins long flight time. 4K camera with 5G FPV transmission, the top rank of camera drones for adults. The UHD 4K camera captures your wonderful moments with incredible details. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens and remote-controlled 90 degrees adjustable structure broaden your view, and the 5G FPV technology guarantees longer and smooth image transmission. Intelligent flight features GPS drones for adults, multiple GPS functions such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Tap Flight, and Point of Interest enable the drone to fly automatically and free your hands. The whole family can enjoy the creative fun of flight together. Easy to fly altitude hold makes the drone hover in the air without throttle control. Smart return to home and emergency stop free your minds of losing the drone. One key takeoff landing, help get the hang of it quickly and easily. A perfect drone for beginners. Triple stability guarantee. The GPS and GLONASS dual mode global positioning system, combined with optical flow positioning, keeps the drone hover extremely stably in the air, both indoors and outdoors. Lasting and powerful, it holds a position quite stable even in wind, with the powerful brushless motors, better than other competitor drones. 2 safer modular batteries are convenient to use, which increase the flight time up to 50 minutes. The portable and foldable structure is designed for your convenience and brings longer-lasting fun to you and your family. Professional drone for professional personnel. HS710 is undoubtedly a reliable professional drone with camera. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.